what's up? That's me again. I did pick up, oh yeah, I have two things I picked up. Where the hell's the other one? Ah, wait a minute. Did I get, you know what? Just realized I'm missing something. Where'd it go? I was going to make a video about something and I forgot about the other thing. I gotta find it actually. Anyway, this video. Lo and behold, you'll be amazed that I found another pair of Visegrips. I got one of these finally. I think I have some. Let me go check. Wait. I'll go dig in the box there, so stay tuned. Believe it or not, I actually have an original. I don't know. I must have bought this at the store. Cause see, this is mint, pretty good condition. I've used this before, so I picked up a cheap version. Same one, Peterson Visegrips brand. Ta-da! I have one of these for holding metal and stuff. This one looks like it's been used and abused it. What's the difference? Well, a couple of differences. You can see that the what's that called? What's that? This one says patent applied for right here. If you look on both of them. Let's see. I'll put them side by side here. The older one has a bigger, what do they call that? Rounded part. The front here is different, and this part, I guess later on they got fancy and they rounded that out. These are more flat. The other thing that changed, I guess, over the years was the bottom, because these are both made by Peterson. This one's an older one. It's just well done. This one's got a little like flat plate, so I guess you can see where they kind of made a vice grip here and just added to it, where this one is, yeah, this one's very similar. See if you look at it, but this, yeah, see if you can do both of them. This one that looks like a flat piece, well, and this one looks like it's the jaws right inside. Like it's like they did this first and then kind of modified it, I guess, for whatever purposes. But see, it's pretty cool, actually. Looks like this was just stamped right in here. You can see if I can hold this right, the differences in the bottom. It's like this one's got a more round edge. This one's got, see, this is the whole, actually, that's cool, actually, if you look at it. Let me put this down here. If you look at this is the bottom part. Where is it? Yeah, see? Yeah, it's not bright enough here. See, this is the different there. And the top one, this one's just the fold, and it's wider right here. So they're both the same company, but they have huge differences. And see if they're even the same length. They're about the same length. The little thing to hold the spring is bigger in here. Rivets. There's 3 rivets. The actual body is different too. You can see this one and this right here is different. So they're the same tool, but they've changed the manufacturing process over the time, which is kind of cool. I mean, I wasn't planning on buying this, but when the seller offered me a couple of bucks less than normal, I was like, hey. But I did pick up another pair of Visegrips. Yeah, I know you're not surprised. You should be surprised. I picked up another one, and I was like, yeah. And I don't know where I put it. I lost it somewhere. So somewhere in here is another pair. But this is the, yeah, see, this is the Visegrips. These things actually come in handy if you do any type of clamping work with sheet metal and stuff. They work really good. They are really good. Oh, and this has the what do you call it, release. This one doesn't. This is the old school one. So yeah, this is no release. This has the release. Like, totally re-engineered tool. I liked it. I thought it was cool. Thought people would like to see it. This one's a nice... I don't know if it's supposed to be dirty, gritty like this, or what. It even has the April 14th, 1942 patent number thing right here. If you see that right in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see that. How good the zoom is on here. April right down the crust there. I'll have to get a macro lens. I do want to buy a new camera, a new phone, just for making videos. So yeah, it's the thing of the week. It's like maracas. Anyway, if you like my stupid videos, if you like my crazy antics, my videos, and if you want to put my Visegrips, watch some more videos, I will be picking up more Visegrips. Thanks for watching. Toodles. And I appreciate every view I get. Don't forget to tell your friends, your family, and every toddler in the world to come watch my videos. We could all learn about Visegrips. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Take care.